How to use NONYX Fungal Nail Clarifying Gel. If your nails are especially thick, file them down gently with a nail file or emery board to reduce some of this thickness before starting. To start, remove the black tip. Shake the bottle gently to get the gel into the nozzle. Then place the nozzle on your clean bare toenail or fingernail and gently squeeze the bottle until 1 or 2 drops come out. Spread the gel out over your nail surface with the applicator tip, especially over the areas discolored or thickened with keratin debris. If your nail is lifted, apply a small amount of gel under the nail edge. Repeat this application morning and night, especially after bathing. You don't have to wait for the gel to dry. Just put on your socks or shoes and be on your way. NONYX Nail Gel won't stain and washes off with water. After 3 to 6 weeks, you can begin gently scraping out any softened keratin debris from behind your nail edge with a manicure tool or stick dedicated to this purpose. Wipe off any softened keratin debris as you move from one toenail to the next. When you are done, wipe this tool with some fresh gel before setting it aside for next time. Scraping about once a week is recommended, ideally after bathing. Continue using NONYX in this way until all the keratin debris is gone. And to keep your nails looking clear and attractive, continue using NONYX gel daily or at least several times a week, especially after bathing. Keep out of eyes, for external use only. Keep out of reach of children. NONYX Fungal Nail Clarifying Gel won't work through nail polish. To use NONYX Fungal Nail Clarifying Gel with polish, apply a thin coat to clean bare nails with a small brush or pad. Let the gel dry completely. Then polish as usual, starting with your base coat, color, then top coat. Every 7 to 10 days, remove polish, wash nails, pat dry, and repeat. To learn more about NONYX Nail Gel and where to buy it, visit nonx.com. Not tested on animals, free of parabens and preservatives. Made in the USA.